Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be going through 2020 Standard Maths exam question number 2. This question was one of the easy questions. This came from a topic that we have put together under measurements. There are a number of different ways these questions are asked, so we've put them all together under one bucket, and these are relatively easier questions. So from our study matrix we open 17.1, and this one was about significant figures. So open question number 2. Now what this question is asking is to represent these numbers in standard form using two standard figures. Now the way you do that is, what you need to do is bring this decimal after the 2. So how many steps you need to take is 1, 2, and 3. So it would be 2.073, but you can't make it 2.073 because it's asking you to make it two significant figures. So you need to round to 0.73 into 1, 2.1. This would become 1 because 7 would round up to 1. So you would have 2.1 here, and then because this is because the number was less than 1, it's a decimal number, so what we'll do is it would be 10 to the power of minus 3. So the answer would be D.